first case I'm going to deal with is a Labour Appeal Court case in Paxport. This employee was dismissed, and the Labour Court found that Paxport could not enforce the restraint of trade. The Labour Appeal Court said that's not true. The restraint of trade lives on after dismissal. The important lesson here is even if you are retrenched and you don't negotiate yourself out of your clauses, confidentiality, restraint, or otherwise, they are still binding. So beware. You have to be bound to what you sign unless you negotiate out of it. Very important Labour Appeal Court case. Till next time. The Labour Court case is an important case. The employee was dismissed for assaulting another employee. The employee had worked for 34 years at the same company with no disciplinary record. It took 4 months to take disciplinary action against the employee. He grabbed the other employee by the throat, apologized immediately, and reported the incident the next day. The employee plus the manager did not want the employee to be dismissed. He was dismissed at disciplinary inquiry, reinstated on appeal, and later dismissed again. The arbitrator and the Labour Court confirmed on review that that was a correct decision looking at all the circumstances. The employer argued consistency about zero tolerance, but consistency really rests with two cases that are comparable. There are not two cases comparable to a 34 years service and 28 years working with this employee. Till next time, Johnny.